Hi guys. Vossloh restoring trust after 2 consecutive profit warnings. Case solution and analysis. Vossloh AG is getting ready for its yearly December seminar with investors and analysts. The firm, whose core business has always been the railway engineering sector, needed to issue 2 unrestricted profit warnings in the year 2011, which sent its stock to the level last observed just in the wake of the economic crisis of 2009-10. The organization's primary task would be to find the correct arguments to satisfy the conference participants and recover their trust. The danger of hostile takeover, important business environments and issues, like stock developments as well as Vossloh's business units, are discussed. One of the essential problems is whether Vossloh should focus on the still quite important home countries in Europe, and further reinforce its efforts to raise its allocation in the niche markets, or focal point more on rising markets in Asia, South America and Eastern Europe. Thanks for watching this video.